Welcome back to the Tracey Show. Today I am sharing with you my latest makes from February 2022. So here we are, February 2022. I mean, this month has been crazy. There has been a lot going on. We had Black History Month, and now we're dealing with some major global issues. So we're praying for all the people in Ukraine and around the world. During the month of February, I did make some beautiful garments. So I'm here today to share those with you. So first up, I have this beautiful dress. I use McCall's pattern 7999, and I just love it. I wore it to a museum a few weeks ago, and I got compliments on it, so I really do love this. This is a magenta punte fabric, so it has a beautiful stretch to it, and I did modify the pattern and add a few details. So McCall's pattern 7999 is just your basic bodycon straight dress. You can do a lot of different things to it, add beautiful stretch knit fabrics. You can dress it up, dress it down. So it's a great starter or beginning pattern to just, create some beautiful looks. For my dress, I modified the sleeves. So I did maybe a little of a bishop sleeve with that large opening in the wrist area. And I did add a cuff there. I gathered the sleeve bottom to add that cuff. I really like that. And I also added a nice tie belt to it as well. A really long tie belt, so you can do a lot of different things with that as well. Tie it to the back, tie it to the front, the side, however you like. And I think it was a great addition to just your basic bodycon dress. I really do love this color on my skin tone. I think this is a beautiful color. If you don't have any magenta, get some. I think it works for most skin tones, and it's just a beautiful dress, easy, and very flattering to your shape, and I just really do love it. And I will be making some more of this pattern because it's just a great pattern to have, and it's very easy to make. Next, I have this butterick pattern that I did. So for this pattern, I made two of them. This is the butterick here, and based on that pattern, it's just very basic, but when you add these beautiful fabrics to it, you have great looks going on. So I use this Encar fabric for this one. I really love this as well. Very easy, again, basic pieces, your sleeve band, button panel, collar, front and back, and you have a look. So I did it in this beautiful Encar print here, this blue teal color, and I also did it with this beautiful Encar print. It's like an abstract print here. I lost my belt already somewhere, gotta tie it up. But yes, this is a beautiful pattern, an easy pattern. Probably will be making some more of this pattern in the future for the spring and summer. I do have a few ideas that I want to do for this pattern. Again, I'm thinking maybe like some lace or some type of sheer fabric for the summertime. So we shall see how that comes out. Next up, I made a cocoon top. So I was in my discount fabric store, and the lady that works there, she always has this cute little cocoon top on. I said, "Ooh, what pattern did you use? I love that." She said, "Oh, I don't use patterns." I said, "Okay." So she told me how she made it. So I came home and made me one. I made two actually. So I did do a video showing you how I made my cocoon top. So it's really basic, something that was easy. Again, I love easy sews. I don't like to be behind the sewing machine with like one garment for like 3 or 4 weeks. That's just a long time, and I have things to do. So easy is my way to go when it comes to sewing. So this was very easy. Again, I made this beautiful multicolored cocoon top. If you want to know how to make one, I will leave a video in the description box so you can learn how to make you one. Just love it. And I also made the little camisole top with it. Now, The camisole top is okay, but I wouldn't use this type of fabric to make that. Again, this is like an eyelet stretch knit fabric, and it's okay, but it wasn't like perfect, so I wouldn't do that again. But yes, a basic Cocoon, perfect for as we transition to the springtime. This beautiful color is perfect for the spring. It's bright, it's lightweight. You can feel, you know, the warmth you need, but also the coolness you need as we transition with those warmer temperatures. And I did it again in this beautiful green color. So this is something I will do again. I'm not sure what type of fabric I'll use next time, but it has to be a stretch knit, probably another lightweight fabric, and also maybe a color block. I did share in the video how you can color block this if you would like to. If you cut on the fold, and then you're able to color block the top and the bottom portion. I may share that in the coming weeks. So yes, that's the Cocoon tops I made for the month of February. Next, I made a cute little duster jacket and dress to accompany it. And I just really love this fabric. This is like a stretch rib knit velour fabric. Look how pretty it is on camera. So it's just a straight duster. I added this beautiful ruffle at the bottom of it. I manipulated those sleeves again to add my cuff to it. I was going to add the ruffle to the sleeves to match the ruffle to the bottom. However, I didn't do that. But I really do love this. And for the dress, this is a basic racer back dress that I use. Both of these patterns were some simplicity patterns, and I just really do love this. This is something I wore out on a date last week. So just a cute little fun coordinate piece, and I really do love it. So somebody asked me, they said, how much or how many garments do you make a month? And so this is about it, average maybe like 5 or 6 depending on the month, depending on what's happening in my life. But all of these are very easy for me to make. It doesn't take a long time. Most of them didn't have any, except these two tops had the button closure. So the buttons, sewing on buttons and also making the buttonholes takes more time than just doing something you just throw on. So it's easy for me to get out 6 garments a month maybe. For the month of March, my ideas are, since it's getting warmer and just to have some basics, I want to do like some variety of t-shirts, how you can manipulate some cute t-shirts and, you know, jazz them up a little bit. So I will be sharing those. Hopefully I can have those out for every Friday for the month of March. We shall see if that works out for me. Because in the springtime, it's just easy to throw on a cute t-shirt, some jeans, and go. If you have to put on a light jacket or like your little Cocoon top or something, that'll work well. So yes, I'm excited about making these t-shirts for the month of March. Thank you so much for watching The Tracey Show. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.